My name is Dr. Rhea Roberts. I was a former patient of Dr. Michael Gerlin. I was a recent immigrant to the US, actually. I migrated from the Caribbean islands where I suffered from scoliosis for many years. I sought an evaluation from Dr. Michael Gerlin because I was in chronic pain 24 hours a day. He then decided that a spinal fusion surgery would be the best option. He had just such excellent bedside manners, and he made me feel like I was being completely cared for. He listened to me, and I really feel like he embodied the type of bedside manners that I wanted to have when I one day became a doctor. So he really showed me what it's like to really care for your patients. So I knew I always wanted to be a doctor since I was a young child. So Dr. Gerlin really became a super important mentor of mine since I was a college student. And he has been in every aspect of my medical trajectory since then. He even wrote me a letter of recommendation for medical school. He allowed me to come and shadow him. And those were all super important and, showed me how much he cared for me as a patient and subsequently as like a second daughter or mentee of his. I'll describe him in a phrase and I'll say a ray of sunshine. He can walk into the room and brighten up the room and just make you feel so much better about yourself. And I even felt like as his patient, I was a super low income, poor patient, and he never made me feel less than. He always made me feel like I was the most important patient to him. And I felt like that gave you just a sense of belonging and acceptance, and it really made you feel good as a patient. That makes you feel like you knew you were having his expert care.